Do you suffer from dry air? Discover how our energy efficient and powerful NOA and NOA Pro humidifiers can pleasantly humidify your air. Hello, I'm Nadia and today I'm presenting you NOA and NOA Pro and explaining their functions. All the content shown applies to both NOA and NOA Pro, unless otherwise stated. Place the device on a flat floor. Then lift the upper part of the appliance and fill the lower part with clean, cold water. Make sure that the maximum mark is not exceeded. You can then place the upper part back onto the lower part, making sure that it is positioned properly. Alternatively, you can also fill the appliance via the filling opening on the side. The water level is automatically illuminated when the flap is open and goes out as soon as you close the flap. Do not fill water choke the grill into the air outlet opening at the top. This will damage the appliance. Then plug the mains cable into the appliance socket and connect NOA to the power supply. Are you looking for a humidifier for an open plan office, a loft or a spacious living room? Then NOA Pro is ideal. He is suitable for rooms up to 200 square meters and has a humidification output of up to almost 1.5 liters of water per hour. His little brother NOA impresses in rooms up to 110 square meters. As particularly powerful evaporators, they ensure optimum humidity quickly and naturally. Just like in nature, the air only absorbs as it needs at the current temperature. Both devices are designed to generate maximum humidification performance with low part consumption. This makes them extremely energy efficient. The desired humidity level can be changed by repeatedly pressing the hygrostat button. The digital hygrostat enables precise setting of the target humidity. The display flashes while the setting is being made. If no entry is made for 3 seconds, the selected value is saved. When the desired humidity is reached, the device stops and the display flashes. If the measured humidity in the room falls below the set value, the appliance starts to humidify again. We recommend to humidify the room to 40 to 60% relative humidity. NOA and NOA Pro offer 4 humidification levels. In auto mode, the device automatically selects the appropriate of the 4 humidification levels to achieve the desired humidity level quickly and keep it energy efficiently. The desired humidity can also be adjusted according to your wishes in auto mode. The further away the current humidity is from the target humidity, the higher the level is selected. Do you want the air to be humidified even faster? Then select the turbo level here. All of NOA and NOA Pro's functions can be controlled either on the device or via Wi-Fi using the Stadler Form app. The current humidity and water level can also be monitored on the go and from anywhere in the app. This means you can simply switch the device to turbo mode when you're out and about so that the room climate is optimal when you get home. NOA and NOA Pro humidifier air pleasantly and also emit your favorite fragrance if desired. Simply remove the fragrance container from the water tray, add a few drops of essential oil and replace it. Your favorite fragrance is then diffused throughout the room. If you feel disturbed by the brightness, for example in the bedroom, you can reduce the intensity of the LEDs by pressing the dimmer button. You can choose between different modes. The current water level is shown on the display and in the app with both. Both humidifiers are equipped with a practical reminder function that reminds you to change the filters in the recommended intervals. After 60 days, you are automatically reminded without having to think about it. In this case, 00 and the currently measured humidity appear alternately on the display for 3 seconds each. Replace the old filters with new ones to ensure hygiene in the humidifier and its performance. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds and that reminder function will be reset. We recommend adding a hygiene tab to the water every 2 weeks. This ensures perfect water hygiene. The fan blades can also be cleaned. We show you how to do this in a separate NOAH and NOAH Pro cleaning video. You can find the link in the video description. With his strong humidification performance, NOAH Pro offers professional superpower. Every Pro Series appliance comes with an extended 5 years warranty. So now you know all the functions of NOAH and NOAH Pro. From now on, dry air is a thing of the past. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do you have any questions? Write there in the comments. Bye and see you next time!